So now I want to talk to you guys about make-ahead meals because these are one of our most popular items that are available to you to help you freeze your meal or make your meals ahead of time. So what make-ahead meals are is that they allow you to do the prep work before you actually have to make the meal. So have you heard of those meal subscription boxes, so like Blue Apron or HelloFresh? The reason why those are so popular is because all that prep work is taken out for you. But the problem with that is that it's not customizable to your preferences or your insensitivities if you have food allergies, but also is that you don't really get much choice when it comes to how to modify your meal, and they tend to be more expensive because they do most of the work for you. Wildtree has an option for you to do the prep ahead of time, but still have that same great taste that's more budget friendly, and you can customize it to your personal preferences and what you personally need. So what these make ahead meals are, we also known as freezer meal workshop kits. They are 10 meals ready to go for your freezer. Okay, so they offer step-by-step menu options that will take you through it, and there is no cooking experience needed. So even if you are the worst cook in the world, you can cook meals like you are a chef. These workshop kits can be made two ways. They can be made individually at home, so if you just want to purchase one just to do on your own, you can. Or this is also, we offer workshops, so you can do it as a party with friends. So you can get a couple friends together, all choose a menu, pre-order the kits with me, and then you can either have me in your home with you to help you go along, or let's say you live across like the country and I can do it via Skype with you or talk you through it. It's totally up to you, but we can make it work. So these are some really great items to do either by yourself or with friends. So what these freezer meal workshop kits look like, these are essentially, dinners in a box, and it provides 10 really good recipes. Each of these recipes, they easily serve 4 to 6 adults, and that comes down to about $4 or less per serving, so it's really affordable. If you are, let's say, just feeding yourself or you and a significant other, is that you can divide each of these meals in half, and you can make 20 meals instead of the 10. So how does 20 meals ready to go in your freezer sound? That's pretty much over half of your month of meals ready to go there for you in just one shot. Like I said, these recipes, they can be made ahead of time and frozen, and then when you want to consume them, you take them out, thaw them, and then you put them in the oven, the grill, the crock pot, whatever the recipe says. Or you can make it fresh daily too. So there's 2 great options there for you. So as you can see, it comes in a little box like this with everything you need. So it has your Wildtree products. It will have any additional products that you need. So let's say you need a little bit of oats, or you need a little bit of pepper or soy sauce. It has that for you in the little pack. It also comes with great recipe cards, so step-by-step instructions on how to do it. It also comes with a sheet for you to put up on your freezer, so then you know what meals you still have left to consume, and recipe cards so you can make in the future. So how it works is that you will order your bundle. Okay, so if we look up here, you're going to order your bundle from me, and once you order the bundle, you will get an email showing you your grocery shopping list and your prep list, so how you divide up those bags. Do you remember we talked about in one of the videos about the Make Fresh Meals, the naked protein recipe, how you have those Ziploc bags that you put your meat into and then add your seasonings? You'll do the same here with that, is that you'll prep your bags by labeling your bags, putting the different proteins in it, the different vegetables that are needed, and then if you go to a party, okay, that's when you'll add all your Wildtree ingredients with friends, which is really fun. You can have wine, you can have appetizers, just a really great girls' night. Or if you're by yourself at home, that's when you'll add in your product. You'll squish them all together, you'll seal it up, and it comes with labels already for you. So it has all your instructions ready to go in the freezer. So it takes roughly about 2 hours. You get 10 meals with $3 to $4 per serving. But like I said, if you are just you or 2 people, you can divide all those 10 recipes into 20 recipes. So it makes it a really good option. So really you're just taking all the prep work ahead of time. We have 12 great options for you. Here are all different menus, and you can find this on my website as well. We have like the around the world option, which gives you all these different flavors from different cultures. Backyard barbecue, which is great for summer. Comfort foods, this is my number one favorite here for you guys. If you are looking for a good one to start with, that would be the comfort food option. We also have one for crock pots, so slow cookers. Family favorites, which is more of that kid-friendly food. Get your grill on if you want some more grilling recipes. One Stop Crock is also another slow cooker. Primal Goddess, for those who are into paleo, that's a really good option for you. And Simply Wholesome is kind of that, using just whole foods. Warm and Hearty is great for that more comfort foods. So just kind of another comfort food one. Veggie lovers, we can't forget about our vegetarians. We have lots of great options for you. And our Sunset Suppers is brand new here in June. So those are great options for the summer, like turkey burgers, Hawaiian barbecue chicken wraps, balsamic grilled chicken salad, salmon, shrimp cakes. It has just really good options for you. So you cannot go wrong with any of them. If you have any questions on specifics when it comes to different menu items, please let me know. I'd be happy to help. I will also post this link in the Facebook party page, so then you can use this as a reference to check those out. Like I said, if you are a workshop newbie, you have never done one of these kits before, I strongly suggest you start with our Comfort Foods workshop. This is my personal favorite, and it includes all of my favorite items. So you get like the European dipping oil. You also get roasted garlic grapeseed oil, which is my go-to, chipotle lime rub, Italian salad dressing, smoked cheddar tomato blend, adobo seasoning, and rancher steak rub. So you get to try all these new recipes. Plus, you'll have some items left over that you can either make the recipes again, or you can try out all those different make fresh meals. So that's a really great option for you. How to order? You can either comment below on Facebook, the video, and I'll add up your total and send you an invoice. Or you can go online to mywildtree.com/more the merry, click on your hostess name, or you can email me your wish list as well. So those are some great options for you. So take a look at the Make Ahead meal kits. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm excited to chat with you about it soon.